Well, hello, everybody. And hello, Kristin. Welcome. It's always good to have you.
Thank you. I'm glad to be back again.
So for those of you that have been watching and seeing what we've been posting, Kristin is a stager. She's a designer. She's wonderful. She has an eye for things that are beyond me. And so that's why we love to leverage her knowledge. And we have her back again today to talk about a trend that we're seeing at Christmas.
Well, this was one more that we hadn't touched on yet, but it's really popular. I've already partaken of it this year too. And so the tree collars are a new way. It's like an alternative to using a tree skirt. One thing that we have encountered at our own home is we have two bigger dogs that have long hair. And so their hair ends up everywhere all the time. So with a tree skirt, I'd end up with hairballs that would collect, and it was a lot harder to clean up after that. Whereas now with the collar, it's a solid piece that's at the bottom of the tree. So now I can actually just kind of get in between the presents if I'm vacuuming, and it's actually a lot easier to clean up now. So I do like that about them.
Nice. And there's a lot of us that have dogs as well. Let's look at what you're talking about here.
Yes. Definitely get on Amazon, Walmart, Wayfair, and even Michael's has all these options as well. So just depending on, what your budget is, what the look is you're going for. I went with a little less expensive one that's a silver metallic. One thing I will say is make sure you measure your tree base before you get one, because when ours came in and I put it together, our tree base didn't actually fit inside of it properly. So I should have measured first.
Note taken. We have a burlap one that looks kind of like the wicker one you have on here for this year. We're loving it.
Yeah, it's just a neat new thing. And, if you like following those new trends, and this is the one for this year, along with those stocking tags I've shown previously. So, but it's just, again, a fun, neat thing. It's a little different and just an alternative to a skirt.
Thank you so much, Kristin. We always love having your insights on design.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.